The literature on the relationship between diet and asthma has largely focused on individual nutrients with conflicting results. People consume a combination of foods from different groups. These foods form a dietary pattern. Studying the role of dietary patterns in asthma is an emerging area of research. Due to the rapid evolution of research on this topic, it is worth performing a comprehensive literature review. We conducted a systematic review on dietary patterns and asthma outcomes in adults and children, and also on maternal diet and child asthma, and conducted a meta-analysis on the association of asthma prevalence with dietary patterns in adults. We searched Medline, Scopus, and ISI Web of Knowledge up to January 2014. Two researchers independently reviewed the studies for eligibility and rated the studies using the American Dietetic Association quality criteria. The same two researchers independently grouped all dietary patterns into three categories: healthy, unhealthy, and neutral, based on constituent foods of each pattern. A linear mix model was used to conduct meta-analysis for each of the three dietary pattern categories. 31 studies were identified, including 12 in adults, 13 in children, 5 in pregnant woman-child pairs, and 1 in both children and pregnant woman-child pairs. 6 of the 12 studies in adults reported significant associations between dietary patterns and asthma outcomes, such as ever asthma and FEV1. 7 of the 10 studies in children examined the effects of Mediterranean diet and showed protective effects on child asthma and were with. 4 of the 6 studies in mother-child pairs showed that maternal dietary patterns during pregnancy were not associated with child asthma or wheeze. The meta-analysis, including 6 adult studies, showed no association of current or ever asthma with healthy, unhealthy, or neutral dietary patterns. In conclusion, evidence suggests no association of dietary patterns with asthma prevalence in adults, or no association of maternal diet with child asthma or wheeze. Mediterranean diet in children may prevent asthma or wheeze. At the end of the manuscript, we offered several possible explanations for the inconsistency and made suggestions for future research. First, the heterogeneous results may be partially explained by the notable variation in food frequency questionnaires used for measuring dietary intakes and statistical approaches for deriving dietary patterns. Second, the heterogeneity may be also explained by the varied number of confounders controlled for in these studies. Lastly, the inconsistent findings underline the importance of prospective studies and randomized controlled trials in understanding the role of dietary patterns in the etiology and disease course of asthma.